Indawo ephephile komdala nomncane. Izingane zisine zazibethela emcimbini oyimvela kancane kule ndawo.
It was very nice. We had very much fun. We went on the swings. I played with my friends.
We went to go play on the jumping castles. We found a spot.
Not as I thought. I thought a little something else would be like slides would be bigger and stuff. But it's not so bad.
Abazali bona bathole ithuba lokungcebeleka nokuthatha ikhefu ezinhlelweni zabo zansuku zonke.
Zezona izithandileyo apha environment like nature sibona indalo apha ndikhe ndabona ne-rabbits kwelacala ezanto abantwana bethu bangazaziyo.
Abahleli balomcimbi bathi njengoba ingandile imicimbi yalolu hlobo kulesi sifundazwe lo mcimbi uyingqayizivele kuzakhamuzi.
This is a new concept in Free State. It exists in Cape Town, it exists in Joburg and Durban. So in Free State, I think I know I'm the biggest one. There were some smaller ones, but we already, I'm being booked all over Free State. So I know it's going to travel a lot.
Kulindeleke ukuthi eminye imicimbi enjengalona yande kule ndawo emva kwempumelelo yalona.